Hello, welcome to the channel, the Investment Process channel. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Let's get into it. So, what we're doing here, we're trading Forex today. Again, I know it's been a little minute. So, right here, I'm looking at the hourly chart. Let's go here to our monthly chart. This is the first week of October, and we see last month the market did not know what it wanted to do, and we got almost like a doji for the month. So right now, the first week it's a little bullish. We were kind of probably anticipating that, especially with the pullback that was happening from last month. It was in a bearish situation, which is why we ended up with a doji. And we can do that by looking at our weekly. So you see here on the weekly, the last 2 weeks were very bearish. So that's why we could expect that pullback for the bullish portion that we just saw for the month of October. So with that being said, let's get into trading plan for the week and where we're at right now. It is now Wednesday. So we had 2 good days of some bearish behavior. So Monday and Tuesday, probably looking to continue to go on down here to where is this? Probably about 156.32. Not today. It's not gonna happen today. But again, it's a daily chart. We're probably looking to fill those imbalances right all the way down to there. How long it's going to take to get back down there, I don't know. But we see over here that that line is directly in line with this resistance right here on our daily. So at some point, we're probably looking to all of this will get filled down here, all the way down to 156.475. So that's probably the move I'll be looking at today. Again, we looked at the monthly. Like I said, you can see from the weekly, we had two bearish weeks that pulled that monthly candle down, and right there we had our pullback in our month where it got bearish for a minute, and let's see where it's going to go for the rest of the month. Again, looking at our weekly, had that pullback from let me see here, the end of last week, the last week of September, which we had our bear had that last bullish week. Then we had a little bit of bullish for the first week of October. Now we're in this week here. So with that being said, let's look over here at the daily. And you see that last week we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days of a push. And now look at it now. So look like the buyers were empowered last week and the sellers are empowered this week. So what does our week look like for us? So again, price is at 162.310. Our trading plan, looking at the 4-hour right now off of our daily chart. Let me see here. So for the week, we've already been all the way up here. Probably looking at, let me change the color on this. Just gonna make that red. So for our weekly, that says brown. Okay, I cannot see. All right. So we have those two 2 right there. That's the weekly. That's our range for the week. All the way up to the top. Then we have all the way down here. Looks like our first sign of resistance for our weekly calendar. For this week, go over to our daily. Today we have a bearish candle. It looks like, why is that brown? It's crimson. Okay, there you go. They look the same to me, but that's fine. If you guys don't understand what I'm doing is I was assigning a different color to the line and it said it was brown. Against this background, it all looked the same to me. So I don't know. Anyway, so looks like we have some support right here on our daily for the bearish days. Has some support right there. It looks like it came and hit there and it's still going down. So let's look at our 4 hour and see what that looks like. So exactly right here, we see there was some support for the bearish candle. We had our support right here all the way back on, what day was this? September 20th. Had some support right there for the for that. So you saw it came down, came right back up to that line, then shot back down. So it had some support there. Now it looks like our next level will probably be right here. So looking on our 4 hour candle, it'll probably keep shooting down and probably bounce right here, go back up a little bit, then continue on down. Again, looking at this daily, let's go back out to the daily. We'll probably hit our first resistance right here for the daily. So we'll have probably, actually no, like I said, this first one right here, like I said, we'll see a bounce and then it'll come back up. Then it'll probably keep on going down. We got a couple other small resistance here. We're looking at this imbalance down here on that 4 hour time frame. Let me look here where we got more levels. We got a level here. And then we got one more level here before it goes all the way. So if we just stop and take a look at that, up here is our support. Up here is our support. So, okay, let me put that right here. Up here is where our support is. You see it came back and filled that imbalance, and then it came on back down. And that's on our daily chart. So we see our support up here. And then we'll see it come down to here about 160. It's going to be below this. That's the 4 hour that we just looked at, where we actually see where that bounce is occurring. So if I go back and I pull this line down here to 159.940. Look at how that lines up. So, we'll hit our first resistance here. And then look like there was some consolidation right here. So we still have a big imbalance down here. So again, we'll reach hit a little bounce. It'll probably come back up and shoot straight down. And we'll hit this next line of imbalance. Now again, this is on our daily chart, which is right here, 158.850. We go to our 4 hour, 158.850. We don't see any resistance right here. Yes, we do. Look at that. Boom, right here. So, and if I go back and take a look at these candles, if I look at this wick right here, look at that daily. Look at these wicks right here. Over here to the right here. See it, pretty much it lines right up, right? So again, we'll have that little resistance down here. And then all the way down here. So that's my plan for the week, to let it ride all the way down. I'll be setting up stops along the way to preserve my position. Right now, I'm already in position. Cannot think where exactly I jumped in, but somewhere in this area. After I got my first day of confirmation, I let it pull back a little bit. Then I hopped into a trade, and now it's been going down. This is a rough evening star, but it's pretty much what you would see when the market breaks structure and then comes back on down. It's clear, but we'll see how today closes, how clear it is, where the market momentum is going. Right now, it looks like the sellers are in position in the market, so we're going to be on the side of the sellers. So as long as that's where the momentum is going, that's where we're headed. Now, my only big hesitation, not big hesitation, my only move is like somewhere down here is where we will be looking for the market momentum to change. Now, either it will keep going, bearish after we have some consolidation. Either it'll keep going bearish or it'll come back up. And again, let's look at the weekly. It'll come back up and start breaking some new highs on the weekly, monthly as well. So reason why I'm saying that is because we'll have that hard bounce down there on the daily. And then we have all of this imbalance to clean up on our monthly chart from a long time ago. So that's 2015. So if we look at that, we don't know exactly when it's going to come back up there, but we have a lot of major imbalance like 2015 that needs to be cleaned up. May not be cleaned up today or tomorrow, but soon. So that's my trading plan for the week. Let me know in the comments if this makes sense. If it doesn't make sense, or you have any questions, please share your comments and questions. And again, thank you for watching. This is the Investment Process Channel. I am C3, Christopher Campbell. I'm here to help you reach your investment goals, to help build your legacy.